welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as always, I just woke up. And in this video, you guys are gonna spend the day with me at school. So like, I'm gonna go get ready and I'll see you guys when I am going to school. 1, 2, 3, go. The grade 7 clean because we're good students. Yes, that's right. I received this flower, like, I don't know who gave this to me, but like, yeah, but like, someone gave it to me. Y'all, we have arrived at the Comlab. Yes. 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 Oh, that is all my fans.
So every move of every done, you know done more for giving down time to copy it.
This is my seatmate, yo. Very, very young.
Grabe naman talaga. Wala ko i-video din ko. Yan, may ipakita niya.
Ano picture video mo?
Uy, pag-boot mo ito Uy, boot mo na. Si picture eh.
Look at this, guys. I ate except the 13, the 11, 19. I ate, y'all. Look at that. Yo, we finally got out of the Comlab. Going back to Honolulu just to get the Maui. So y'all, it's next time.
Dali dayon sa truck.
With my fans, y'all. I'm with my fans because like they are so clingy. Oh, ikaw. Y'all, we're walking around the school. We have no fun. Guys, did you see that? Did you see that? Ay, di ko. Hey everyone, welcome back to my vlog. TikTokers in the house. TikTokers in the house. In the house. Hey, piling mo.
귀요미 한눈 팔지마 누가 뭐래도 내꺼 다른 여자랑 말도 섞지마 난
Yo, it's taking so long. Oh, it's time for the announcement. We're just waiting for our teacher to like get the paper where all of the honor students are.
I'm passing the phone nga. Ay, ang passing sa phone nga. Kanang sigurado nga. Ma-honor na siya, guys. Tara, guys. I'm passing the phone to someone nga. Nag-aanog flowers nga. Wait lang. Man, I'm passing this phone to someone. Kanang wala chance sa iyang crush.
Okay. Dili rank 1 ha. Dili rank 1. Ha?
Dali lagi. Boto na po, di.
Sige na.
Para madali.
Hello. Excuse. Ay, sorry. Dali ba? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Tata, na.
Yeah.
So everyone, I just got why? So everyone, I just came back home from school, and actually I kind of fell asleep after I ate dinner because like I'm tired. Okay, you guys get it right. Everyone gets tired, you know. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Mwah.